hills of Zion, calling me home. Green hills of Zion, never alone, never alone. Babylon walls high, touching the blue sky, but my spirit yearning, a different lesson learning. Green hills of Zion, calling me home. Green hills of Zion, never alone. Every man a king, every woman a queen. Seek the light within, wash away the sin. Green hills of Zion, oh, green hills of Zion, oh, 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 oh. Barefoot on the red, red ground, ancient drum in my own heartbeat. Sky open like an old wisdom book, clouds turning every page for me. Nature's meditation, silence speaking louder than a shout. Roots in the soil of creation, tree teaching more than any crowd. Nature's meditation, raindrop revelation on my face. I close my eyes in the sunlight, and I feel Jah moving through this place. Ants marching like a humble army, wind writing proverbs in the leaves. River chanting down my worries, stone sit quiet yet it believes. Nature's meditation, silence speaking louder than a shout. Roots in the soil of creation, tree teaching more than any crowd. Nature's meditation, raindrop revelation on my face. I close my eyes in the sunlight, and I feel Jah moving through this place. Man build tower, man build wall, still can't touch the morning dew. Ego tall, but spirit small, till the mountain lean and talk to you. Sit a while, hear the hillside breathing. Night so dark, but the stars still true. When the mind stop fight the season, you will find Jah already in you. Already in you. Nature's meditation, silence speaking louder than a shout. Roots in the soil of creation, tree teaching more than any crowd. Nature's meditation. Oh, morning break, but the sky feel heavy. Same sunshine, yet the land look weary. Children laugh, but their eyes say plenty. Bread so small and the greed so plenty. Concrete grow where the river used to. Smoke rise green, all the hills I knew. I hear a voice in the hot dry wind saying, look what they do for a little wind. soul grows shallow. Chase bright dust, but the heart feel hollow. Books of wisdom sit and collect prey, while we scroll our little lives away. Lions sleep in the cage of comfort. Truth gets sold like a tourist concert. Ancient drums still beating deep inside, saying wake up now, there is more to life. Earth crying out, can you hear her calling? Hear her calling. From the root, from the rock, from the wounded ground. Earth crying out and the tears keep falling. Keep on falling. Till we turn back round. Till we turn back round. If the tree fall down, we fall down too. If the sea run dry, what we going to do? If the air can't breathe, we can't breathe truth. You can't break the web and still feel whole. So plant one seed in the mind tonight. Plant one tree in the yard for life. Heal that fear with a brave small act. Give the love you think you lack. Hey, earth crying out, can you hear her calling? Hear her calling. From the root, from the rock, from the wounded ground. Earth crying out and the tears keep falling. Keep on falling. Till we turn back round. Till we turn back round. Listen close when the wind passes through. Ancient voice still reasoning with you. When you walk soft, when you choose the right route, you can hear less pain in the earth crying out. Ooh, yeah. Deep in the forest, far from the traffic and talk. Roots wrap round the boulder, like them guarding ancient law. Sun strain through the branches, draw halo upon him locks. Lion heart in silence, listening while the world just watch. Oh, Rasta in the forest, reasoning with breeze and birds, reading every rustling leaf, like a holy book of words. Boys, Rasta in the forest, earth is the temple gate. Stand firm in the living truth, while Babylon speculate. He said, see a river move higher, never rush but always reach. Stone will block the middle, turn professor, start to teach. Boy, life a circle, not a ladder, you not higher than the ant. If you can't water a little seed, or you claim to move a mountain. Rasta in the forest, reasoning with breeze and birds, reading every rustling leaf, like a holy book of words. Boys, Rasta in the forest, earth is the temple gate. Stand firm in the living truth, while Babylon speculate. He asks who on the sunshine, who signed paper for the rain. Laughs off at the question, let the echo wipe his pain. Man build plenty prison, chain himself with gold and fear. But tree no sign religion, still it stretched to Jah each year. Rasta in the forest, reasoning with breeze and birds, reading every rustling leaf, like a holy book of words. Rasta in the forest, earth is the temple gate. Stand firm in the living truth, while Babylon speculate. a gentle swing. One match, one little fire, ancient chant begin to ring. Oh yeah. In the dark the eyes them glow, but the ego fade and pass. Forest bowing deep a hush, when the Rasta bow to Jah. Jungle reaching high, touching the clouds up in the sky. But man forget the ground below, where the ancient wisdom starts to grow. Roots in the soil keep us from turmoil. Roots in the soil, no more to toil. Plastic fruit on silver trees, blowing empty in the breeze. No real taste, no vital spark, just shadows dancing in the dark. Roots in the soil keep us from turmoil. Roots in the soil, no more to toil. Look to the bottom, cool breeze of Jah blow through my mind today. Sweep the dust, leave the truth, I pray. Morning light on my window pane, old kettle sing while I bless his name. Questions I like the steam so slow. What is mine? What I only borrow. Cool breeze of Jah blow through my heart, lift the weight, tear my chains apart. Cool breeze of Jah whisper inside, all things change, I alone abide. Cool breeze of Jah. See proud man building tall, tall wall, fear of fall, make the tower small. Every stone from the same earth, still same red blood, same unsteady will. Whoa. Cool breeze of Jah blow through my heart, lift the weight, tear my chains apart. Cool breeze of Jah whisper inside, all things change, I alone abide. Cool breeze of Jah. When your book run out of pages, what you leave? Gold can't cross the ages, spirit breathe, name on sand, washing from the shore. Only love walking through that door. Oh yeah, cool breeze of Jah blow through my heart, lift the weight, tear my chains apart. Cool breeze of Jah whisper inside, all things change, I alone abide. Cool breeze of Jah on my wrinkled face, same sweet wind in a young child's grace. From first breath to the final draw, cool breeze of Jah carry I in all. Still smoke on the hill. Old man reading, pages standing still. Children laughing, bare feet in the dew. First red ribbon of light breaking the blue. Sunrise over Zion, wash my worry from my eyes. Sunrise over Zion, teach my heart to realize every day is judgment, every breath a little trial. Sunrise over Zion, I walk the narrow mile. Woman at the river, talking with the stream, say, what you chase, young lion, chasing you in your dream. I answer, I want freedom for my people, for my mind. She smiled, then rise each morning, leave the chains behind. Sunrise over Zion, wash my anger from my eyes. Sunrise over Zion, turn my sorrow into wise. Every day is question, every step a holy trial. Sunrise over Zion, I walk the humble mile. Some build their tower on sand and pride, oh yeah. Some plant their power where truth can't hide. But hills remember footprints of the meek, and the first light favor the ones who see. Sunrise over Zion, draw the curtain from my eyes. Sunrise over Zion, make illusion vaporize. Every name is shadow, shadow. Only love can stay a while. Sunrise over Zion, I walk the timeless mile.
when the breeze pass by, shaking and boasting high in the sky, but leave soon Him crown. But I search silent round the family yard, where the sweat and the sorrow guard. Every pain we plant, every prayer we shoot, all get fed by the river of Rue. Yeah. Oh yeah. River of roots running under we feet, carrying the truth that we tribe must keep. Ancient water in a modern suit, every step you take you walk. River of roots.